Welcome back to QuizzyTrek, the ultimate journey through facts, fun, and brain-boosting challenges. We've got 50 multiple-choice questions. One answer equals 1 point. Where is Mount Vesuvius located? Italy,
Spain, Greece,
Italy. Mount Fuji is in which country? China,
Japan,
South Korea,
Japan,
Mauna Loa is located in Philippines, Mexico, Hawaii, USA. Hawaii, USA. Krakatoa volcano belongs to Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia. Indonesia. Mount Etna is found in France, Egypt, Italy, Sicily. Italy, Sicily. Age of geological volcano is in Iceland, Norway, Finland. Iceland. Mount St. Helens is located in Canada, Brazil, USA, Washington. USA, Washington. Popocatépetl volcano is in Mexico, Peru, Argentina. Mexico. Mount Kilimanjaro is in Ethiopia,
Kenya,
Tanzania. Tanzania. Mount Merapi is located in Indonesia, Myanmar, India. Indonesia. Cotopaxi volcano is in Bolivia, Ecuador,
Chile,
Ecuador. Mount Pinatubo is located in
Vietnam, Japan,
Philippines, Philippines. Mount Rainier is in USA, Washington, Australia, Portugal. USA, Washington. Taal volcano is found in China, Philippines, Indonesia. Philippines. Oel Doinyo is located in South Africa, Uganda, Tanzania. Tanzania. Mount Pelee is in Martinique,
Cuba,
Jamaica. Martinique. Mount Erebus is located in Russia, Antarctica, Greenland. Antarctica. Nevado del Ruiz volcano is in Colombia, Venezuela, Paraguay. Colombia. Mount Tambora is found in Thailand, India, Indonesia. Indonesia. Mount Nyiragongo is in DR Congo, Nigeria,
Cameroon,
DR Congo. Stromboli volcano is located in
Greece,
Italy, Aeolian Islands, Romania, Italy, Aeolian Islands. Sakurajima volcano belongs to Japan, Kyushu, South Korea, Mongolia. Japan, Kyushu. Hekla volcano is in Iceland, Sweden, Norway. Iceland. Mount Ararat is located in
Turkey,
Syria, Georgia.
Turkey.
Mount Yeser is in Fiji,
Samoa,
Vanuatu. Vanuatu. Mount Ruapehu belongs to New Zealand, Australia, Papua New Guinea. New Zealand. Surtsey is a volcanic island in
Canada,
Denmark, Iceland. Iceland. Mount Elbrus is located in
Kazakhstan,
Russia, Ukraine. Russia. The Arica volcano is in Peru,
Chile, Cuba, Chile.
Mount Agung is located in
Taiwan,
Indonesia, Bali, Malaysia. Indonesia, Bali. Kilauea volcano is in Hawaii, USA, Mexico.
Japan,
Hawaii, USA. Mount Shasta is located in
Spain,
USA, California.
Canada,
USA, California. Nevado de Toluca is found in Peru, Colombia, Mexico. Mexico. Mount Cleveland belongs to Alaska, USA.
China, Scotland,
Alaska, USA. Anna Krakatoa is in Vietnam, Indonesia, Sri Lanka. Indonesia. Mount Taranaki is located in
Japan,
New Zealand, Australia. New Zealand. Santa Maria volcano is in Honduras, Nicaragua, Guatemala. Guatemala. Pico de Orizaba is located in
Chile,
Mexico, Argentina. Mexico. Mount Bromo is in Indonesia, Java,
Pakistan,
India. Indonesia, Java. La Soufriere volcano is in Trinidad, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Barbados. St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Grimsvötn volcano belongs to
Germany,
Iceland, Sweden. Iceland. Mount Baker is located in Italy, USA, Washington.
Chile,
USA, Washington. Mount Sinabung is in Pakistan, India, Indonesia, Sumatra. Indonesia, Sumatra. Chimborazo volcano is located in
Brazil.
Bolivia, Ecuador. Ecuador. Mount Cameroon is in Liberia,
Kenya. Cameroon. Cameroon.
Mount Tide belongs to Canary Islands, Spain, Italy, Portugal. Canary Islands, Spain. Mount Sapiden is in
Nepal.
Indonesia, Sulawesi.
Bhutan.
Indonesia, Sulawesi. Ojos del Salado is located in Mexico,
Peru.
Argentina, Chile border. Argentina, Chile border. Mount Hood is in USA, Oregon.
Germany. Canada.
USA, Oregon. Mount Garibaldi is located in Iceland, USA, Canada, British Columbia. Canada, British Columbia. And that completes your quiz challenge. How many did you get right out of 50? Drop your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more quizzes like this. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay curious.